Okay everyone, I've just arrived at the kiteboarding competition that I came to actually film today. But I've run into Darren. G'day Darren.
G'day, how are you going?
Really good mate. Listen, you've got a fantastic little toy here. It's more than a toy though, isn't it?
It's a fold-up bike, ideal for commuting, for them short journeys, anything up to 15 kilometres.
19 k's an hour it goes, okay?
19 k's
And it goes as far as 15 kilometres, is it?
15 kilometres in distance, 19 k's an hour
Okay.
speed.
How long does it take to charge up?
2 hours fully charged from flat.
2 hours, okay.
You get LG 18650 batteries in the front, and the rear hub is the motor.
Yep. Fantastic stuff, check this out.
You have a battery checker as well, so you can on the fly see how well your battery's lasting you. We've recently done some upgrades to the previous prototype, which had ABS sort of nylon plates. These are now full alloy, and these can take up to 110 kilos, no problem at all.
Fantastic, so even I can get on it.